You know those videos on Pinterest and Facebook with all those hacks to make your life more organized? Well, we tried out a bunch of them, and some of them worked, and some of them did not. So let's have a look.
We're so excited about this video today, and we're really glad that you're here. If you're new here, we would love for you to subscribe. So hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll get notifications every time we release new content.
If you've tried any of these, let us know in the comments. And if you have any other hacks that really turned your life around for the better, then also let us know. And let's get experimenting.
Okay, so the next one we're doing is this one. Oh man, all these yogurts, they're everywhere. What do? Ooh, I take a bowl, put marbles in it, another bowl on top, and then it works. You put your yogurts in it. How awesome. Okay, let's try this. We got 2 bowls here. And
we've got marbles.
In a pink princess box. Marbles. So we put marbles in the one bowl.
Do we need to make sure they're all the same size? Because there are different size ones here.
It doesn't say.
We're just put all of them in here.
Okay, like that?
A little bit more.
Okay. Alright. Put it here. And then spin it. Hey! It works!
Sound effect.
I was actually really excited to try this.
I've seen this on like a bunch of other YouTube channels as well.
Yeah.
And it seems like a really good idea. So if you've got like those like baking pans, like the circular pie ones.
Yeah.
Then using that for spices and stuff. If you've got like high cupboards.
I'm excited because these Lazy Susans, which is basically what this is, but just homemade, we can't get those here. So I was excited to see if I could make one. So let's go into the kitchen and see what we can use it for. Time to use this. So in here, we have our nuts and teas and popcorn, some breakfast stuff, and some snacks for the kids. So I'm gonna try and put the teas in here, I think, because the nuts are working pretty well. Just take it out of the basket and then the nuts are there. I'm not gonna mess with that. But the teas I'm not happy with actually, because I have to kind of take them all out to find the ones I want. So let's do this. There we go. Okay, all sorts of teas, and it would be like a big mess like the yogurts. So, if I put them out there, I can't see what's in them. So, I'm gonna swap these around. Okay, let's put it in there. So, what tea do I want? This one. It's actually my favorite. Okay, so it works. I just don't have anywhere to put my nuts now.
So this one I'm skeptical about.
Me too.
Especially since we kind of, tried it out in theory before we started and realized that this is the fixed part, this is the fidgety part, and you have to fit anything that needs to spin around to the fidgety part. This doesn't make any sense. Let's use double-sided tape just for...
Yeah, just to prove a point.
It's spinning down here, but it's not really making use of the
fidgety part.
The fidgety part.
No. Yeah.
And then
it came off. Well, which is good, because we need it to come off.
It exposes the wheel bearings. So if you want to have a closer look at those.
Probably glue here, here, and here. You just want, let's just use double-sided tape.
I think it might work better.
Yeah, probably. Okay. Ready?
That seems very flimsy.
Then we're supposed to have this on it. That helps because there's more weight on it.
Okay.
And then this on top.
Okay. Precision work.
I'm fine with whatever.
Solid.
As a rock. Okay. And then again on top.
I don't think this is gonna work. It already really seems very, very unstable.
So here, I accidentally did it, so
Oh my
there we
gosh.
go. Okay! So.
Yeah, there's no way I would ever use this.
It's spinning.
No, but like, okay, so first of all,
we're gonna go into the kitchen and try it out.
Oh my gosh.
We actually fixed it. So we took the top part off and re-glued it so it was more aligned. But this is pretty much the worst Pinterest hack ever.
So what's up next?
Oh yeah, let me show you. This one. You ready? Perfect, huh?
Okay.
Now none of your condiments are ever going to be hard to get something out because they've already had everything go to the top.
I'm not gonna lie. A lot of these seem like they're very much, based on an idealized situation. Which, I mean, I'm an engineer, so that should be fine, right?
Exactly. Let's try it out. The purpose of this is to try it out and then see if it doesn't work.
I'm not using an X-Acto knife. I'm using scissors, so
Okay.
hope this still counts.
Okay, we got this. And actually, just so you know, I tried it already with a plastic carton, and that didn't work. So I went and bought this so that we had exactly what they showed in the video. Let's see if this
works. Were
works.
the eggs any different?
They're from different chickens, I think. Okay, so let's try this one out. We have a condiment shelf right here. So let's take those out. And then we put this in. And it fits perfectly. It's working so far. So this fits. That fits. Yep. Definitely does not fit. This does. And then these two are too big as well. Ta-da! The hack is successful.
Is it though?
A lot of these hacks are made for perfect situations where all the lids are the exact same size, which they're not in real life. So I think I'm gonna stick with what we had before. I'm really excited about this one. Not that I have this problem very often, but I'm thinking that if this works, then it can help keep the lunches cool for the kids for the whole day. So I'm gonna try now to put it on here and make the sandwiches. Okay, that should be enough for a few sandwiches. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer and check back on it in a little bit. Alright, so this one I think might actually work. So you know the problem of having loads of knives like all over the drawers and like you cut yourself every time you open the drawers?
Yeah.
Not really, but
No.
I mean we decluttered down to having like 4 knives, so I don't think that's normal.
Is this big enough for, say, this knife?
Well, I mean that's what we had, so that's what we're using.
Fair enough. Alright, I will wait no longer.
Alright, so they're in. Let's try the big one. It works. It works. I mean, I think it's...
Okay, I could see a problem with this.
Yeah, if you're like, not careful.
It's gone.
You know what?
Never to be
This
retrieved.
here, I would like to say this here works.
What about like getting them back out? Like getting the ones, well, I mean, okay, so we only have 5 knives thingies.
4 knives and a fork.
Thanks for clarifying. So it shouldn't be that difficult to get stuff out. I'm a little bit hesitant of like, hey, I'm gonna go grab this, and then the edge of the blade is just sticking out right there.
But if we were gonna commit to this, I'd buy a specific glass thing for it.
That was a little bit larger.
Yeah, probably.
And that would completely cover the knife.
Yeah, but I mean, turn. Oh, I want this one. That worked pretty well. Now it's time for the peanut butter. I'm gonna go get it in the freezer. So this is the peanut butter. Move this, make sure you can see everything.
Well, we need the knives.
Let's take the big one here. Alright, so this is the peanut butter. It's been in the freezer for a couple of days. Let's just make one to make sure it works.
Okay, so something like this. Okay. And how, like, were you supposed to, like...
And then place it on the toast.
It seems like it's not, I mean... Our freezer has no problem freezing stuff.
It's a deep freeze.
So, I don't know. I don't know about this. This seems to be absolutely not worth all the effort. Oh, look at this.
I'll eat
See,
it.
it's already melted.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think some families might enjoy this. Maybe.
No, it's horrible. It's useless.
Okay, it's not for us at least. No.
Oh my gosh.